The DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the rumored 2026 powerhouse that's got creators and tech enthusiasts losing sleep. If you are in the USA and love vlogging, filmmaking, or just capturing life's epic moments on the go, stick around because we're diving deep into every leak, rumor, and speculation that's surfaced so far. By the end of this, you'll feel like you've got the inside scoop on what could be the ultimate portable camera revolution. Let's jump right in. First off, let's rewind a bit to understand why the Osmo Pocket series has become such a legend. Back in 2018, DJI dropped the original Osmo Pocket, and it was a game changer. Remember those shaky smartphone videos that made you seasick? This thing had a built-in 3-axis gimbal that smoothed everything out like butter. It was tiny, affordable, and suddenly everyone from travel bloggers to indie filmmakers was hooked. Then came the Pocket 2 in 2020, upgrading the sensor for better low-light performance and adding modular accessories. Fast forward to the Pocket 3 in 2023, which blew minds with its 1-inch sensor, 4K capabilities, and that rotating touchscreen for seamless vlogging. But now, whispers are growing louder about the Pocket 4, slated for 2026, and it's not just an incremental update. It's shaping up to be a massive leap forward. What has everyone so excited? It all started with a series of leaks that hit the internet like a storm. Picture this: grainy photos from a Shenzhen warehouse showing what looks like the Osmo Pocket 4's retail box. The packaging screams premium, with sleek black and orange accents that DJI fans know all too well. But it's what's inside that counts. According to these leaks, the standard model is ready to roll out soon, possibly as early as February or March 2026. The Pro version? That might be delayed a bit, but the hype is real. One leak even showed a quick start guide hinting at a redesigned control layout. Think more intuitive buttons for quick mode switches, making it even easier to capture that perfect shot without fumbling. Now, let's talk specs because this is where things get juicy. Rumors point to a dual camera setup on the Pro model. Yeah, you heard that right, 2 lenses working in tandem. One could be a wide angle for those sweeping landscapes, and the other a telephoto for zoomed-in details without losing quality. Imagine switching seamlessly between the mid-vlog, like a pro director on a blockbuster set, and the sensor, building on the Pocket 3's 1-inch CMOS. Expect even better dynamic range, meaning your videos will pop with vibrant colors and deep shadows, even in tricky lighting. Leaks suggest 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion, and some wild claims even mention 6K capabilities for super high-res footage. That's the kind of detail that could make your home videos look like they were shot by a drone from the future. Battery life has always been a pain point for portable cams, right? Well, not anymore. Insiders are talking about a 1,400 mAh upgrade, which could mean hours of continuous shooting without reaching for a charger. Pair that with DJI's rock-solid 3-axis stabilization, and you've got a device that laughs at bumpy bike rides or crowded city streets. Oh, and the display, expect a larger, brighter rotating touchscreen that flips for selfies or vlogs, with improved touch responsiveness. It's like having a mini cinema rig in your pocket. But hold on, there's some drama in the leak world. A few photos floating around Reddit showed what people thought was the Pocket 4 Pro. But turns out it might be a prototype from Insta360. Yeah, the competition is heating up. Insta360's rumored Pocket with interchangeable cameras could give DJI a run for its money. But DJI's ecosystem, think seamless app integration, MIMO software for editing, and compatibility with other DJI gear like drones, keeps it ahead. If you're a creator in the States, where fast-paced content is king, this rivalry means better tech for all of us. Let's paint a picture of how this could change your daily grind. Say you're a YouTuber in New York, hustling through Times Square. With the Pocket 4, you whip it out, hit record, and get stabilized 4K footage that rivals a full DSLR setup. No need for bulky tripods or external mics. The built-in audio is rumored to be enhanced with better noise cancellation. Or maybe you're a travel vlogger heading to the Grand Canyon. The dual-lens system lets you capture wide vistas and zoom in on wildlife without switching devices. And for filmmakers, the slow-mo options open up creative doors, like slowing down a waterfall to reveal every droplet, turning ordinary scenes into art. Of course, nothing's perfect. Potential downsides. Price leaks suggest the standard model around $400, with the Pro pushing $600 or more. That's steep if you're on a budget, but think of it as an investment in pro-level content. Also, with great power comes great responsibility. File